Modern machine tools are an expensive investment. PartMaker's full machine simulation provides you a photorealistic machining simulation of your Swiss type lathe before you send a program to the machine. Using PartMaker's full machine simulation, you can detect costly errors and collisions before running a part, which can avoid machine downtime or even expensive repairs. In many cases, the full machine simulations in PartMaker are based on 3D models supplied by the machine manufacturer, assuring that what you are seeing is exactly what is occurring on your shop floor.